Alright guys, welcome back to the training. Okay, so now guys, I'll be taking you guys on how you can basically create your seller account on Fiverr. As I have shown you earlier on how to create different type of account on Fiverr. So, and then as you can see, this is the account we created the other time. So now we are moving on to creating our seller account on Fiverr, as we are going to be selling on Fiverr. So now when you log into your account, so now this is the account we created, and you see the Fiverr cross 11, and then so now come here to this right hand side over here, click on this. Now go to your dashboard, no, go to profile, just go to profile first, go to your profile. Let's just wait for that to load up. So we are right inside our profile. Okay, now if you should look at the profile, you can see, look at the account we created. Can you see Fiverr course 11? That is the username. That is Fiverr will automatically give you that, and then you can never ever change it again. Okay, that is permanent, and that is that about that. Okay, and then it will tell you where you're from. So I'm from Nigeria, so that is why the location here is giving me Nigeria, and then it tell you the date that you open it. This is January 2021. Okay, and then now all this we are going to put a description about ourselves, the language we speak, and link some of our social media account, your skills, your education, and your certification. Okay, so now I'll be taking you guys the process on how to become a seller on Fiverr. Okay, so now just click on this right the right answer, just click here, become a seller. So when you click on that, it will take you to this interface, and then there's a button right here. It will show you now that you should become a seller. So you're going to click on that button. Let's just wait for that to load up. Let's wait for that to load up. So let that just load up. Okay, so let's wait for that. Just wait for that to load up, guys. So okay, we actually have it here. You can also click it from here, but I just want to show you. Can you see, to say work your way, then you see become a seller. So just click on this button, and this button will take you to the right place you ought to go. So become a seller. So can you see that, guys? Can you see that the account that you created the other time is not a seller account, it is a buyer account. This now is a seller account. We are creating a seller account now. It's a seller account that we're going to input our details and everything. So when you click that, it is ready to start selling on Fiverr. Here is the breakdown. Learn what to make a successful profile, create your seller profile, and publish your gig. So you're getting there. Continue, then continue again. So it will take you to where again. So continue, just click on continue. So now it will take you to this personal info. Under this personal info, we have 4 process to follow. We have personal info, we have personal info again, we have link account, and we have account security. Okay, so now we're going to be filling all this up. So the first on our agenda, you just put your name. So my name is Akinwale Yano, so call me investor Akinwale. Then here I'll put Yano. Okay, so Akinwale Yano. Okay, so let me just just put your name. Okay, and then you put your profile picture here. Just add, you can put your profile picture on, or you can put any other thing to replace it, but let's just look for a picture to use from our PC, and just go to picture, go to picture. So let me just use any of my picture here. So that is when that's now this description. Now what this means is the description is just a brief introduction about yourself or your company or any service you render. So for the sake of this, let's just write here. For example, I will just say I am a professional creative designer over it's over 5 years experience in graphics and brand identity design. So I am a professional creative designer with over 5 years of experience in graphics and brand design. Create multiple design in different business niche. Create multiple design in different business niche. Business niche. Next, you with the passion to make them successful and grow. Okay, so now let me just. I'm a professional creative designer with over 5 years experience in graphics and brand and realistic design. I create multiple design in different business niche with a passion to make the success. Sorry, I think you are wrong here. In different business niche. My purpose is to make business, just write anything to make business visual, to make business creativity, to make business more to the customers, thereby setting them by giving the business higher. Just write anything, higher advantage over others in the market. Okay, just write anything that it is well describe the service sharing. I'm a professional creative designer with 5 years experience in graphics and brand and design. I create multiple design in different business niche. My purpose is to make business creativity more pleasing to the customer, thereby giving the business higher advantage over other business in the market, period. So just write something that best describe your service. Okay, don't mind me if there's any error there. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I won't be going through that. Just make sure you just write something that best describe the service, and that is what the description is all about. So now we come to language. If you speak more than one language, just come here and add it. But I only speak English and then my dialect, so I'm not going to put my dialect here. Since English is universal, I'm just going to leave English right there. If you speak French, just click on this add new and then type French here, French, so it will bring it out. Then this one that says proficiency, just click on it and then you can put it as probably you are good in conversation, whatever it is, maybe you are learning, you just put it there and then add. It will automatically add it over here. Then click to continue. Then it will take you to the next personal info. Now under this one, now you select the occupation. Now for the sake of this training, we're just going to use graphic design. So now when you select that, it will tell you to choose the year you start designing to the year to the present year. So for me, I think I'll just put it as 2016 to 2021. So now we have to choose like 2 to 5 of your best skills in graphic design. So no matter any skills you know, the best one you can offer, just select it over here. So I can actually offer all this, but just select, even though you can offer all this, there's something that all the skills that is here, just you are only eligible to create 5, to select 5, or just select any of them, 5. So when you select 5, then you can select any other again. So you can now come to order that says add new. No, let me just delete it. That's not necessary. Now come here to skills. Okay, so we are done with the occupation. Now we'll come next to skills now. So it's basically the skills you have in graphic design. So logo, you can put logo, so it will suggest it for you. Come here and put it on expert, then add. Come here to add, it will suggest that just put it there and add. It will suggest another graphics design, just put it there, add. Then if it is not there, it does not suggest anything for you, just click on this add new. You can put it there. Let's say brand identity design, brand identity. Okay, brand identity. Come here, put expert. So the list of the service you can, any skill you have in graphic, just put everything right here. If you want to put 100, you are good to go. Sorry. So now under education, now you're going to put your education, the school that you the university that you attend. For here, let's put our country, which is Nigeria. So just select any country you are. If you are from US, put it there. If you are from UK, put it there. If you are from Nigeria, put it there. So now college or university. So I'm just going to put my university, Obafemi Awolowo University. It is there automatically. It's among the list university here. So it is very, very important for this. It's not all university that is actually here. So if your university is not here, so you can actually type it there. And then if Fiverr said it is not that you cannot put any other university except the one that is listed, just choose any one in the category that is listed, and then you are good to go. So for mine, Obafemi Awolowo University is listed, so I'm just going to select that. Then title, even though you are not, if you are still in school, just select. Then I'll just put my expert, which is estate. So I can just put estate management, and then I can select, even though you're still in school, just select any year here just to clear this and get out. Okay, so now certification. If you have any certificate, for me I have some certificate of my creative design certificates. I can just put okay, let's say certificate of award. You can put any I can just certificate of achievement, something like that. Certificate of achievement, certificate of achievement. Then I can put creativity, or let me say graphics. Oops, as graphics design. So perfect. Each year, just select the year you 2019. Add. So now, personal website. If you know you don't have any website, because Fiverr require you to put a website. For me, I have my own website. But if you don't have website, just look for any website. You can even put fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. And then if they say Fiverr.com, say personal, okay, then you got to put https:// then just put Fiverr.com. Then if Fiverr is telling you that, please insert your own professional email. So then you can also, if they did not allow you, look for any other email, any other website. For mine, I have mine as speakingspeed.com. This is the name of my own website. Just look for any website out there. Just put anything there, and then you are good to go. You can even type your just type http:/your name.com, and then it will go. Just click on save to continue. Now we are under the link account. This place is very, very important. You have to link either your Google, your Facebook, your Twitter, your Dribble, or Vimo. So anyone you have, you can link more than one, but for this sake of this, let me just click only the Google, and then we can proceed to the next one. Let me just click only the Google, so we can proceed to the next one. I don't want this tutorial to be long, okay? So I'll just link this one for the tutorial for this course. Just link this. So Fiverr will automatically link that. Let's just wait for that. Okay, just click on allow. then you are done. When you are done linking it, then you can see connected and then verify. Then you move to account security. This account security is very, very important, guys. Very, very important. Now our email is verified. Now this phone number is very, very important on Fiverr. Anytime you use a phone number to register or to open a Fiverr account, you cannot use that number again to open any other account. Now if I should, for the sake of this course, this number that I want to use right now, I can't use it to open any other account again. Okay, even I will not be using this account. I can't use the phone number to open this account again. So now to link your phone number, just click on add phone number and then select your country, then your country phone code. So I will just put the phone number right here, which is 9047247648. So they will send a confirmation code to you to the phone. Just select by SMS or by call, whichever way you want it, but I like by SMS. So they will send 4 confirmation codes to this number, and this number will actually land on my phone right now. So you can hear the sound. So now I have it as 8893. That is the code. Then submit code. Then you see verification complete. Your phone number was verified successfully. Thank you. Then click on OK. Then you'll be taken to the next security question, which is the question that we ask you. So you can just select any question here. In what city did your parents meet? You can just put it there. Any city. Okay. Just click on finish. Then OK. Then you are good to go. Then Fiverr will tell you to continue to create your own gig. Then when we click on this, then we are done. So let me just show you again. And we are done creating our Fiverr seller account. So you can see here completion rate. Anytime you see the completion rate is above 70 or up to 70, that's to tell you the account is successfully created. Then it will tell you to verify, then finish. It tell you to finish. So when you finish, then you're done. So it will tell you, see, all done. Now your profile is complete. You can get to exciting stuff, blah 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 that. So all you have to do is just to click on finish. So when you click on finish, then you are done creating your Fiverr seller account. Then you can now move to creating your gig. Okay guys, that is basically how to create Fiverr seller account. So your account now is created. So the next thing on our agenda right now is to create our gig. So in the next training, I'll be showing you guys how to basically create your gig on Fiverr. If you don't know what gig means, when we get into the next module, I'll actually be telling you. Thank you very much guys, and stay blessed.